Hey guys, and today it's for the first time Vloggy Dog, and I'm joined here by the official Mr. Bear. Man, you'll be seeing him in a lot of videos, and I'm just gonna give you a little show of him. So this is my dog called Fuzzy. He's really fluffy. He's got on the Tilia, and he's the best dog ever. Cotton Tilias are really playful, and he really loves to do it. Now I'm just gonna let him relax on the bed because I don't think he's enjoying it that much, but I can let you see him on the bed. See, that was my laptop. That is my laptop there, and this is him right there. Yeah, just practically going with the flow. So anyway, this is my new channel called Vloggy Dog. If you've probably already seen, and I would like to say that this Vloggy Dog challenge is actually just vlogs, practically just vlogs. So yeah, and Fuzzy will be in it too most of the time anyway. What one's it at? Oh, okay. And I'm gonna let him out. Yeah, I want to go out, and I love dogs, so it's the best. And if you've got a dog, leave a comment down in below, because they're so cute and stuff like that. Oh, that was just my camera. So yeah, if you have a dog, leave a comment down below, and then I will reply. Okay, thank you so much for listening to this video. And I will see you whenever else. Whenever else. Bye.